Howdy guys and gals, Mikey V here. Time for a mail call with Mikey. I showed up early to a Clash Guitars live stream and won the early bird. It's a 40% silver half. So let's go ahead and open that right up. He's got this thing taped like 6 ways to Sunday, so the only way to really get that open is to just cut it open. Should just be 2 things in here. Looks like he's taped it to the inside of the envelope as well. Should just be 2 things in here. A pick and the half. So we'll go ahead and see. Yep. There's the official Clash Guitars YouTube logo pick, complete with signature on the back, and a 1965 40% silver $50. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Mikey V signing out.